Anong bago sa refresh 2025 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS variant? Redesigned front grille. Dito sa upper grille, two-toned na yung design at meron na siya nitong LED illuminating lights that runs across the upper grille. Aesthetic lalo sa gabi. Tapos tong headlights pala may black accents na, similar sa previous na Black Series. Sa ibaba, binago rin tong design ng undergarnish at pati rin yung undergarnish sa likuran. On the side, nag-iba na rin yung design ng 18-inch alloy rims. Hati ang opinion pagdating sa bagong rim design. Although according sa dealer, mas maganda raw ang airflow papunta sa brake pads sa design na to, making the brake pads less susceptible to overheating. Under the hood, it's still the tried and tested 2.4 Mavic turbocharged diesel engine mated to the same reliable 8-speed AC automatic transmission. Sa interior naman, unlike the previous model na fabric seats pa, leather wrap na tong seats ng 2025 GLS. Same siya sa leather na ginamit sa previous year model na Black Series. Nag-iba na rin yung design ng manubela, upgraded to this more futuristic 3-spoke steering wheel design. Sa seat adjustment naman, dito sa driver side, 8-way electronic adjustable na siya. Panghuli sa safety